Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make floor cleaner. Please like and subscribe to my channel. So we are going to make floor cleaner. Let's go over the ingredients. I have water, white vinegar, salt, SLS solution, color, and then perfume, and of course container to make it. So let's start. So I will first pour in my SLS solution and then add the salt. SLS solution is 200 ml, salt is 50 grams. So I'll then mix it to thicken the mixture. So I'll then add the water. So I'll then mix it. After mixing it very well, I will now add my white vinegar, 50 ml. You stir and stir and stir. Make sure you stir very well. I will then add my perfume. So after mixing the perfume, I will then add the color. For the perfume, it depends on you how you want how strong or mild you want your mixture to smell. That depends on the quantity of perfume you are going to use. If you want it to be mild, depending on what you are going to use, you use more perfume. Or if you want it to be, very strong, you use more perfume. So I'll just fill my bottle with it. I'm going to allow it to settle for a while, like 5-10 minutes, and then fill my bottle. So thank you for watching.